Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear kids. Are you fine? I hope you all are very fine. Alhamdulillah, Miss is also fine. Students, can you say who I am? Yes, I am your Amreen Miss. I am Amreen Akhtar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. So dear students, today I am at home. So students, look up. What is that? Can you say? That is fan. What is that? That is fan. Okay students, now look this side. What can you see on the table? These are flowers. These are flowers. Okay, now I will go to dining room and show you something from my dining table, okay? Students, look, what is on the dining table? What are these? These are fruits. These are fruits. Say with me, these are fruits. Who is coming? He is my friend Farhan. He is playing with his football. He is playing with his football. Bye-bye. Now I'll go that side. There is a lake. Okay, let's go beside the lake. In the lake, what can we see? Can you see something? In the lake, there is a fish, right? There is a fish in the lake, right? And what is that? What is that? There is a frog, right? There is a frog. There is a frog. Okay, students. I think we have enjoyed a lot here, right? Now we should go back to school, right? And start our today's class, okay? Students, today I will take your English class. In our English class, what do we learn? Can you say? In our English class, we learn the letters, then phonic sound of the letters and objects name of different letters, right? So, we already learned the letter what? We already learned the letters A to E, right? So, let's read out the letters A to E with phonic sounds and objects name.
A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for doll. Doll. E for elephant. Elephant.
In our previous class, we learned the letter E. We learned the letter E. E phonic sound is A. E phonic sound is A. E is a short letter. E is a short letter. Then E for, can you say E for? E for egg. Egg. E for elephant. Elephant. Like this way, E for envelope. Today we are going to learn a new letter, okay? So are you ready to learn something new? Students, can you remember what you have seen in my home? In my home you have seen so many things, right? Like fan, flower, fruits, then what? Football, frog, fish, so many things, right? So here we are getting same sound in the beginning, right? Like fruits, then flowers, fan, fish, frog. In every word we are getting beginning sound same, right? Like this, right? So what is can you say? Okay, this is actually a sound of a letter. It's a phonic sound of a letter. So today we will learn that letter, okay? So which letter sound is? Can you guess? Okay, I will tell you. Students, today we will learn the letter F. Today we will learn the letter F. This is small letter F. This is small letter F. This is also called lowercase letter F. Okay, this is called lowercase letter F. Okay, F phonic sound is okay. So look, this is capital letter F. This is capital letter F. This is also called uppercase letter F. This is small letter F. This is capital letter F. This is lowercase letter F. This is what? Uppercase letter F. So students, today what we will learn? Today we will learn the letter F. Our today's topic is write over the dots F. Write over the dots F. F phonic sound is? Okay, so F for what for F? Can you say? You already have seen so many things in my home, right? So can you remember anything's name? Can you say, students? What are these? These are flowers. These are flowers. F flowers. F flowers. These are rose flowers, right? These are red color rose, right? Okay, then F for any other things, can you say? What are these? These are what? These are fruits. These are fruits. F fruits. F fruits. We should take fruits every day, right? Then what for F? Try to say. Everyone try to say. Okay, I am helping you. Then look here. What is this? This is a football. This is a football. F for football. F football. F football. Football is a playing item, right? We can play with football. Okay, then F for any other thing's name, can you say? Try to say. F what? F fish. Okay, this is a fish. Where does fish live? Fish lives in the water, right? Fish lives in the water. Fish fry is very yummy. Do you like fish fry? I like fish fry very much. Okay, now tell me any other thing's name with the letter F. Look, this is flag. What for flag? F for flag. F flag. F flag. This is our national flag. What are the colors of our national flag? Green and red, right? Now tell me any other things name, students. Try to say. If you can't say, I am here to help you, right? So this is fire. This is fire. F for fire. F fire. F fire. So fire is very dangerous, right? We should not go very near to fire, right? Okay, now my dear students, F for what? What for F? Any other thing's name? Try to say. What for F? F for fan. F for fan. F fan. F fan. So when we use fan in the winter? No, not in the winter. In the summer. Can you remember any other thing's name? Any other object's name by the letter F? You have seen in my house another one. Can you remember? Try to recall. F for frog. F for frog. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so F frog. F frog. Okay, students. So I think you learned so many objects name today, right? Can you say with me? F for what? F for fan. F for flower. F for fruits. F for football. Then F for fish. F for frog. F for fire. F for flag. So now what we will do? Now we will learn how to write F over the doors. Okay, our today's topic is write over the doors F. Okay, so we will learn how to write the letter F over the dot. To write the letter F, we need three symbols. Okay, half circle, then standing stick, then sleeping stick. Okay, so how can we write F? We will join these three symbols together, then it will look like F. Okay, so let's do it. Half circle, then standing stick, then sleeping stick. I am showing you again. Half circle, standing stick, then small sleeping stick. This is letter F. So students, can you write it? Okay, I am showing you again and again. Okay. Now I will show you how you can make the letter F with slime. Okay, this is what? This is half circle, right? This is half circle, then this is standing stick, right? This is standing stick, and then this is sleeping stick. This is sleeping stick. So this is letter F. This is letter F. Students, look at the board, okay? See what I have drawn here. Here I have drawn how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have drawn 4 lines, and these are called rows. You already know it, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines and 3 rows. Where will I write the letter F? F is a tall letter. F is a tall letter. So, I will write it from first line to third line. I will write F from first line to third line. Okay. So, what I will draw at first? I will draw half circle, right? First symbol is half circle. Then standing stick. Then standing stick. Then what? Then sleeping stick. This is letter F. I am showing you again. Half circle, standing stick, sleeping stick. Half circle, standing stick, then sleeping stick. Okay. Half circle, standing stick, then sleeping stick. This is letter F. This is letter F. Okay. So, students, we know how to write the letter F, right? Half circle, then what? Standing stick, then sleeping stick. Is it letter F? Is it letter F? No, this is wrong. This is not letter F because here I have written it in the wrong way, right? How I will write? Half circle, then standing stick, then sleeping stick, like this way, okay? Don't write like this. Is it right? No. You have to maintain the line, right? You have to touch the line. You will start from here, then you will go up and touch the first line. Then you will go down and touch the second line, then touch the third line. And in the middle line, you will draw sleeping stick, right this way, okay? This is right, this is right, this is wrong, this is wrong. Don't write like this way. This is also wrong. So what we have to do? We have to write it in the proper way and we have to maintain the line also, right? I am showing you again. Please be careful. Half circle, you have to touch the line, then go down and touch the third line, right? Now, sleeping stick in the second line, right? In the second line, sleeping stick. This is letter F. Write down like this way, okay? Students, this is our English book. This is our CW book, okay? This is lowercase alphabet book, okay? So, what is our today's classwork? You will open page 15. You will open the page 15. Here we can see small letter F. How you will write? Here is shown, right? Half circle, then standing stick, then sleeping stick, okay? What is it? This is fan. This is fan. What for fan? F for fan. F, fan. F, fan. Okay, now look here. Look student, what we can see here? There are given some dots to write the letter F, okay? You have to write over the dot, okay? You will go through the dots to write the letter F, okay? Our today's classwork is write F over the dots. That means you will write over the dot, okay? Look at the board. So today our duty is write over the dots, right? Students, in your book, you have seen already, there is written like this way, okay? There is given some dots, okay? You have to go over the dots to write the letter F. So, how I will write? I will start from here, right? And I will go over the dots like this way, okay? Then, here, I will do the sleeping stick, right? Don't write like this way. If we write like this way, then is it correct? No. You have to go over the dots. Okay. You have to go over the dots. Like this way we will write the letter F. Students, today what have we learned? Can you say? Today we have learned the letter F. Okay, then F phonic sound is, can you say? F phonic sound is F. F is a short letter or hanging letter? F is a tall letter. F is a tall letter. So we will write F from first line to third line. That means first row and second row. Here we will write letter F. So F for, can you say, tell me? F for what? F for so many things we have learned today, right? F for fan, F for flower, F for fruits, F for football, F for fish, F for frog, F for fire, F for what? F for flag. So you write it in your book, okay? Lowercase alphabet book, page 15. So students, complete your writing and practice it more and more at home, okay? So no more today. Bye bye.